Hello everyone, we are about US, and welcome to our video. Today we will talk about how to invest $1,000 as beginners. We know that the investment world can seem overwhelming and complicated, but we want to demonstrate that it doesn't have to be. Our goal with this video is to teach beginners the basic steps to invest $1,000 intelligently. Let's get started. Have you ever heard the saying, if you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there? It's a fundamental truth when it comes to investing. If you don't have a clear goal in mind, it can be difficult to know what to do with your money. That's why it's so important to establish goals before you start investing. But what kind of goals should you set? Well, that depends on you. Are you saving for a big purchase, like a new car or a house? Do you want to have enough money to retire comfortably? Or do you simply want to build a financial cushion to be prepared for any emergencies that may arise? Each goal will have its own set of challenges and will require a slightly different approach. But the important thing is to have a clear and defined goal so that you can work towards it effectively. When you have a clear goal, it will be much easier to stay motivated and focused on your path towards investment. Remember that there are no small goals. Every goal you set for yourself is important and should be taken seriously. So set your goals carefully and with confidence. Great! We have now established our goals and researched different investment options. Now it's time to open a brokerage account. What is a brokerage account? In simple terms, it is an account that allows you to buy and sell investments. It's like a bank account, but instead of holding money, you hold stocks, bonds, and other securities. It's important to have a brokerage account in order to invest in the stock market. Without it, you can't buy or sell stocks. The good news is that opening a brokerage account is very easy. There are two types of brokers, traditional and online. Traditional brokers are those that have a physical office where you can go to meet with your financial advisor in person. However, online brokers are more popular today due to their low cost and ease of use. Most people opt for online brokerage accounts due to the convenience of being able to make transactions from their computer or mobile phone. Additionally, online brokers tend to have lower commissions and fees. There are many online brokerage account options to choose from, but if you're a beginner, we recommend looking for a broker that offers a mutual fund investment account. These accounts allow you to invest in a variety of mutual funds with a single transaction and have lower fees than other types of accounts. If you decide to open an online brokerage account, the process is quite simple. First, you will need to provide personal information such as your name, address, and social security number. Then, you will need to link your bank account in order to transfer funds to your brokerage account. And there you have it. You now have your brokerage account and are ready to invest. Be sure to do additional research before making any investments. Step 4. Make the investment. Now that we have established our goals, researched different investment options, and opened a brokerage account, it's time to make our investment. One of the most popular ways to invest in the stock market is through mutual funds. To purchase a mutual fund, we first need to log into our online brokerage account and search for the fund we wish to buy. It's important to note that there are different types of mutual funds, some with a more diversified portfolio than others, and their performance may vary. A recommendation for beginners are indexed funds, which track a benchmark index such as the S&P 500. These funds offer broad diversification and low costs compared to other funds. Once we have selected our mutual fund, we must enter the amount of money we want to invest and confirm our transaction. It is important to closely monitor the performance of our mutual fund and make adjustments to our investment as necessary. Remember that investing in the stock market always involves certain risks, and it is important to be patient and have a long-term strategy. Don't be discouraged if you see fluctuations in the value of your investment in the short term. In summary, investing may seem overwhelming at first, but it doesn't have to be. To invest $1,000 as a beginner, you should follow some key steps. First, set your financial goals to determine the best investment strategy. Then, research the different investment options available and their risks and benefits. Next, open an online brokerage account to facilitate the investment process. Finally, make the investment by purchasing a diversified, low-cost indexed mutual fund. Remember that investing can be an excellent way to improve your financial future and achieve your goals, but you should always be aware of the risks involved. With due diligence and a little courage, anyone can start investing and growing their money. Don't wait any longer to start investing and improving your financial future.